Hi, I'm Dan Putman, and I want to take a few minutes to talk about Lightrun's MCP integration with Claude Code. So in this case, we've detected a issue in our QA testing that's against this trade service here. Now, it's running remotely, so I'm going to need to debug this using my code, whatever logging I have, and potentially Lightrun. Let's see how we do it both ways from within Claude Code. So if we do this without Lightrun and I prompt Claude to go figure out what's going on, we're going to see it does its best job using the limited logging and the code base that we have available. We'll see that it makes a good guess as to what's going on. It's a real issue, but it's not the issue that's actually causing the test failure. And we can iterate on this and manually feed more context into Claude, but it's very difficult to get to that root cause without Lightrun. But if we go ahead and turn on Lightrun and make it available to Claude, what we see is that immediately Claude is able to ask, which services can I see and instrument? So in this case, the account service, the trade service, and so on. And then during our testing, Claude is able to iterate and ask additional questions like, what's happening on line 91? What's happening in these certain areas until it gets to a validated root cause analysis. In this case, it's a data issue, which tends to prove really tricky for both AI and human engineers, but we got to that cause and now we can fix the problem and move on with our testing and then push to production.